Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Clockify for employees. First, open the Clockify website on your browser. In the top right corner, click on Sign up for free. Now, continue with Google by choosing your Google account. After that, allow Google to access your information by clicking on Continue. Enter your name and organization name. Then, mark a tick on the given box to agree to the terms of use. Hit the Continue button and tell how large your company is. Choose the number of people in your company. Here, click on Next and tell what your industry operates. Following that, tell the reason for using Clockify. Next, choose the option from where you heard about it and hit the Done button. It will take you to the home page. In the left panel, click on Dashboard. You will find your top client and top project. In the Clients section, you can add your new clients to organize your projects. You can add any client name and click on Add to add it. In the Projects section, you can create a new project. Enter the name of the project, select the client, and you can search for any template. Now, hit the Create button, and it will create a new project. After that, click on the project. Scroll down, and you can add the hourly rate. You can also choose the project budget and add additional fields. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.